Now, how many of you don't know simple harmonic progressive wave का derivation? नहीं है तो बोलो, so that I will explain. Otherwise, I will move ahead. Simple harmonic progressive wave derivation. You are knowing? Arya?
Sir, can you explain it once again?
Yes, I will. So that's why I'm just writing the theory. Whichever you don't know, I will explain. Okay? Equation of simple harmonic progressive wave. Derive expression of simple harmonic progressive wave. See how to start. Consider a simple harmonic progressive wave starting from origin O, traveling along x-axis. The displacement of particles starting from origin is given by y equals to a sine omega t, because it is performing a section. So y equals to a sine omega t because particles are parallel to y-axis, where a equals to amplitude, omega equals to angular speed. Again, consider a simple harmonic progressive wave starting from origin O, traveling along positive direction of x-axis. Displacement of particles starting from origin is given by y equals to a sine omega t, where a equal to amplitude, omega is angular speed. Let p be a particle at distance x from origin. Let P be a particle at distance x from origin. At distance x from origin. As all succeeding particles lags preceding particles, hence a delta is lag of particle P, then its displacement comma y is a sine omega t minus delta. Origin वाले का a sin omega t, particle p is at distance x, because आगे आगे वाला particle को disturbance बाद में मिलेगा, so it will lag. So I have assumed let delta be the lag of particle p, so its displacement will be a sin omega t minus delta. Please copy this much.
करो। और एक छोड़ा, 2-3 पेपर और है, वो भी कर लो ना जो भेजा है। नहीं, उसी दिन भेजा था 3:35 को। आप लोग तो क्या टाइम हुआ वैसा निकल जाते हो ना, और बाद में फोन भी देखते हैं कि नहीं। हाँ ठीक है, वो 2-3 कर दो, फिर मैं लेक्चर बात करता हूँ। Till this, I think you have done a sin omega t minus delta. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now see further what to do. We know that for phase difference 2 pi lag is lambda. See, for distance 2 pi phase difference is वैसे करते हैं, because delta we got angle. I am interested in terms of distance. We know that for distance lambda phase lag is 2 pi radian. So for distance x, phase lag comma delta equals to 2 pi x upon lambda. Therefore y will become a sin omega t minus 2 pi x upon lambda. So y is a sin 2 pi by t into t minus 2 pi x by lambda. So y equals to a sin, take 2 pi common, t by t minus x upon lambda. This is expression for simple harmonic progressive wave. Arya, you followed this now?
Yes, sir.
Please all of you solve. This Sunday's topic for test will be theory of superposition of wave and MCQ of current.
Completed? Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, beat frequency you are knowing or not? Derivation of beat frequency. Are you knowing derivation of beat frequency? Say yes or no. So much time you give to a response. Derive expression for beat frequency. Are you knowing this?
Mm,
So just see this also. For beat frequency, we require two progressive waves having same amplitude, slightly different frequency. So I'm just writing expressions. Consider वाला part orally बोल देता हूँ. Consider two sound wave having same amplitude arriving at a point simultaneously with slightly different frequency. Displacement of the waves are given as a sine 2 pi n1t and a sine 2 pi n2t by principle of superposition. Amen. Thank you. Thank you. Right. Thanks a lot. Right. So by principle of superposition, y is y1 plus y2. This is a sine 2 pi n1t plus a sine 2 pi n2t. हाँ मैडम. हाँ हाँ बोले ना बोले. नहीं 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 दिया. हाँ ओके. हाँ फाइन फाइन कर देता हूँ. यस कर देता हूँ. हाँ यस यस श्योर श्योर जरूर जरूर करूँगा. थैंक यू बाय बाय बाय. Therefore, A we can take common. You get inside 2 pi n1t plus sine 2 pi n2t. What is formula for sine C plus sine D? It is 2 times sine of 2 pi, that means C plus D, 2 sine C plus D into cos of C minus D. This is the formula I have used. Sine C plus sine D is 2 times sine of C plus D upon 2 into cos of C minus D upon 2. So y equals to 2a cos 2 pi n1 minus n2 into t upon 2 into sine of 2 pi n1 plus n2 divided by 2 into t. Let 2a cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 into t upon 2 equals to r equals to resultant amplitude. Please copy till this. Then I will conclude why it will be giving beats. We are interested in beat frequency. That means reciprocal of time interval between successive waxing or waning. Okay, completed till that? At least writing equation completed?
Yes, sir.
Arya, after the class, wait for 2 minutes, huh? Anushka, you also wait. So we get y equals to r sine 2 pi n1 plus n2 will write as, let n1 plus n2 upon 2 equals to n equals to average frequency. Average frequency. So y will become r sine 2 pi nt. This shows that resultant displacement is oscillatory in nature and is oscillatory in nature. 2 pi nt means it is oscillatory in nature and hence beats can be produced. Because if oscillatory, then only amplitude will become alternately maximum minimum and beat will be formed. So just copy till this, then we are checking where, after what time this waxings and wannings can be created to give me B. Just conclude till this. Yeah, written na? See, at waxings we get resultant amplitude maximum. When I say maximum, it is plus or minus 2a. So 2a cos 2 pi n1 minus n2 into t upon 2 is plus or minus 2a. Both side 2a I can cancel. So cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 into t upon 2 is plus or minus 1. So angle associated with cos should be 0, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, dot, dot, dot. So I'm writing k pi where k can be 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. Both side this pi cancel, same side ka 2 cancel. So t is k upon n1 minus n2 where k is 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. Therefore, when you put k 0, you will get 0. 1 upon n1 minus n2. 2 upon n1 minus n2 dot, dot, dot. Therefore, time interval between successive waxings, that is time period equals to, तो ये दो वैक्सिंग का बीच का डिफरेंस इज 1 अपॉन n1 minus n2. So beat frequency will be reciprocal n1 minus n2. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Right, for waxing, then for waning I am proving.
Done. Yes, completed till last line. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now exactly same formula which should get even at vanning. Vanning means resultant amplitude will be 0. At Vanning's resultant is 0. That is 2a cos 2 pi n1 minus n2 into t upon 2 should be 0. So cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 into t is 0 upon 2a, which is 0. That means angle associated with cos must be odd multiple of pi by 2, where k is 1 2 dot dot dot. Now pi 2 2 you can cancel. So t becomes 2k minus 1 upon twice of n1 minus n2, where k is 1 2 dot dot dot. This 2 and n1 minus n2 have taken in denominator. When you put different values of k, first is 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get 1 upon 2 n1 minus n2. Next will be 3 by 2 n1 minus n2. 5 by 2 n1 minus n2 dot dot dot. Therefore time interval between successive vannings equals to 3 minus 1 2 divided by 2 is 1 upon n1 minus n2. इसको ही बोलते हैं टाइम पीरियड. So time period equals to 1 upon n1 minus n2. The frequency equals to n1 minus n2. Now copy till this. Just copy till this. Within 2 minutes I'll be back. Hello? Hello, completed?
Yes.
Okay. So today we'll stop here. Revise and keep. Next coming Wednesday also